In between Vandenberg and Fairchild Halls, in the shadow of the core values ramp, is the green oasis known as the Mall of Heroes. This mini park is the gift of the class of 1964. It features statues of 3 Academy legends. The United States Air Force Academy is an amazing place, steeped in long blue line history and brimming over with stories. I'm Steve Simon, class of 77, and I'm here to tell them. This is the Heritage Minute. The first statue to be dedicated was that of First Lieutenant Carl Richter, class of 64, who was shot down and killed on 28 July 1967 during his 198th combat mission in Vietnam. The Richter statue was dedicated on 27 May 2008, before the class of 08 graduated, as Richter was the class's exemplar. It would be 18 months until more statues were added, causing some cadet comedians to call the area the Mall of Hero. Before long, however, Lieutenant Richter had company. On 6 November 2009, during its 45-year reunion, the class of 64 dedicated and ceremonially donated to the Academy the Mall of Heroes. The ceremony included the unveiling of 2 new statues, honoring Captain Valmore Bork, class of 60, the first Academy graduate killed in combat, and Captain Lance Saijon, class of 65, the first Academy graduate to receive the Medal of Honor. Since then, as cadets march down the ramp and past this area en route to the Stillman Parade Field, they execute an eyes right and salute these icons. Thank you for watching this episode of the Heritage Minute. If you enjoyed this story, we encourage you to subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and post it to your social channels. I'm Steve Simon, class of 77, and this is the Heritage Minute.